In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your OpenAI API key in Cursor AI. First, open Cursor AI and click the settings gear in the upper right corner. From the menu on the left, select Models. Scroll down and find API keys, then expand that section. Here, look for OpenAI. Paste your OpenAI API key into the input field. If you don't have it copied yet, log into your OpenAI account and retrieve your key from there. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any errors. After pasting your key, toggle the switch button to save and enable OpenAI key. Once that's done, your key is fully active, and you can start using all of OpenAI's features inside Cursor AI. You can also return to this section later to update or change your key whenever needed. And that's how to add your OpenAI API key in Cursor AI. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Cursor AI tips and tutorials.